Good morning, everyone. Your daily reminder that Pome it's for $4,000. They're still by Perfection Style too. That's upstairs Gino's Pharmacy, close to Ken's Wildflower. So where Gino's Pharmacy there, should they upstairs. So once you find Gino's Pharmacy, you find the brushes them there and the belt them. The brushes are there as well. The brushes are for $13,500. That's the Nehemiah collection. And the brush cylinder, 10-piece brush set plus the brush cylinder, a carrying case, a travel case, all for $13,000, $13,500. So yeah, and then the cost of travel or to drop it off to you, that's a bill separately. But if you're in a Portmore, I feel, yeah, if you're in a Portmore, your blouse and skirt, if you drop off one belt to one girl in a Portmore. But you know what's that me? I forgot to reach up back out to her. But yeah. And then I'm doing makeup now for $8,000, and travel is separate as well. So $8 grand I for do your makeup, but in order for me for